Hey YouTube, just a little update here. Tracks are going on the doors along with the overhead parts, but before I could carry that on I had to get some stuff to make the triangle drops, and so that's where we're going. Welded this up, nasty welds, but if you flip it over the other way it looks like gold. Well, after I paint it anyway, it'll look nice. So, yeah, that's that. Try a little welding here, see what that looks like on this thing. Wonder how it works out. Alright. Hey, not grounded. Now we'll see how it goes. There you have it. Chip off. Ready to go. There you have it. Finish that up. Run these tracks. I probably won't show how to square them, but something I'm sure you could look up on and see on the Google machine or whatever. Have it on. Thanks for stopping by. See ya.